For ways to fix QuickBooks Error 6123 can't open company file. Solution 1. Use QuickBooks Tool Hub program. Step 1. Close QuickBooks accounting software. Step 2. Open QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 3. If you do not have it, download and install it. Step 4. Select the Program Problems tab. Step 5. Now, click on Quick Fix My Program. Step 6. Once it finishes, open QuickBooks and check if the issue is fixed. If you still see the error, move on to the next step. Step 7. In the QuickBooks Tool Hub, select Company File Issues. Step 8. Next, click on Run QuickBooks File Doctor. Step 9. When the QuickBooks File Doctor opens, choose your company file from the drop-down. Step 10. In case you're unable to find the file, click on Browse. The file will look like this, your company name .qbw. Step 11. Once you select your file, select the option Check File Damage Only and click on Diagnose File. Step 12. Then enter QuickBooks admin password and click on Continue. Step 13. QuickBooks File Doctor tool will then start repairing, which may take a while. Step 14. When the repair is done, select your company file from the list and select Open QuickBooks. Step 15. If you can open the file without any error, the error is resolved. Solution 2. Rename the .nd and .tlg file. Step 1. First, open the folder that contains the company file. Step 2. Now, look for the company file .nd extension and right-click on it and select Rename. Step 3. Rename the company file to .nd.old, then press Enter to save these changes. Step 4. Next, choose the .tlg file and rename it the same way as you did .nd file. Step 5. Open the QuickBooks company file and check if the issue has been resolved. Solution 3. Create a portable company file to restore the file. Step 1. Open QuickBooks on the system which was used to create the backup company file. Step 2. Go to the File tab and select Create Copy. Step 3. In the Save Copy or Backup window, select the Portable Company File option and click on Next. Step 4. Now, select the location where you want to save the company file. Step 5. Click on Save and OK to proceed. Step 6. You can now export this file to a new device where you want to restore the backup. Step 7. Open QuickBooks application on the new device. Step 8. Go to the File menu and select the Restore a Portable File option and click on Next. Step 9. Now select the file you imported earlier with .qbm extension and click on Open. Step 10. Then, click on Next and Save to complete the process. Solution 4. Change hosting settings. Step 1. Open QuickBooks and go to File tab. Step 2. Then select Switch to Single User Mode. Step 3. Click on the File tab again and select Utilities. Step 4. Now, select Stop Hosting Multi-User Access. Step 5. Go to File, select Utilities and choose Host Multi-User Access. Step 6. When you get a prompt asking Start Hosting Multi-User Access, click on Yes. Step 7. Finally, go to File again and select Switch to Multi-User Mode. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902298 or +44 800 0548 150.